Professors Phil Robinson from the Children's Medical Research Centre in Sydney and Adam McCluskey from the University of Newcastle have become world-renowned for their work in protein chemistry and the synthesis of new drugs since they formed a remarkable working relationship 11 years ago.
The publication is critical. That'll be significant in 2 weeks.
The sum of the two parts is actually far, far larger than the sum of the individual parts. We have very, very dynamic interactions with research teams, and we always come away with more ideas than I think we'd have ever got on our own.
We both have a genetic defect, and I call it the double E gene. So we have an overdose of this mutation of energy and enthusiasm.
Phil's work involves identifying protein pathways in cells that lead to disease states, while Adam designs new drugs that will alter the activity of these proteins and thereby cure the disease. One of their main focuses has been developing a cure for epilepsy, a disease in which a third of patients don't respond to current medications.
Greatest achievements together, I think we've got the first compounds that block one of these proteins that we've since shown has an effect as an anti-epileptic agent. And we're at the stage now where we're actually trying to turn that understanding into a clinical candidate, so a new drug.
With the Ramaciotti grant, Adam and Phil will set up the best flow chemistry laboratory in the world, which will accelerate and broaden their areas of work.
Money will be put to something that's really unique. So we're creating a tool that we think will open doors that we couldn't go through before.
One of the things that I don't think even the people who awarded us this money have actually realised is this is Pandora's box. This is a tool that is without par anywhere on the planet. So we don't know what we're going to find, but certainly medical research in New South Wales isn't going to be the same when we get this right. The disease areas we might be looking at things like Alzheimer's disease, epilepsy, cancer, inflammation, asthma, cystic fibrosis, diabetes. This technology isn't actually applicable to a single individual disease.
What the heck is that? What kind of monstrosity is that? And I just treasure every day, and I find it a privilege every day to be able to continue to be paid to do my hobby.
This sort of award does actually start to generate or build a capability that will allow people to generate the new drugs, to target the new diseases and actually make a real impact on our standard of life.
Yeah, everybody here's got somebody to live.